foremost, I'm extending my greetings to my lovely Auntie Andre. As she celebrates today her birthday. I don't want to mention about the age. The important is the presence, all the relatives, friends, and great friends tonight that now you are participating. The very momentum as we recognize the natal day of my auntie. Over the past many years with my auntie, I remember the youthful life. She's very affectionate. She's very generous. Perhaps the ups and downs of life, we cannot deny that there's something about the past, and I'm wishing all the best. You know, the odds of life will always there, but we must come up and move forward. Until, you know, you have lots of challenges, you have a lot of trials, but today, with your great friends beside you, with your nephews, nieces, friends, overwhelm your heart as you celebrate tonight. To you, my heartfelt greetings. Happy birthday. Let's give significant applause. Let's sing a birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. And I don't forget to extend my